It's Halloween morning, October 31st, 2025. The leaves are changing colors. A lot of them have fallen. It's about 45 degrees, maybe 48 degrees now. It's about 8:30 in the morning. There's a pond over there. You can see some of the reflections. The squirrels are playing in the leaves. This is the view from my window seat in my studio. And there's some things I've been working on. It's a Friday, so hopefully I can get back in here and do some painting today and this weekend. Should be a really pretty fall weekend here in Brown County.